Hello everyone, this is our group. Our group's theme is computer and accessories. And then, this is the introduction of our group members. My name is Wang Jiayi. I am responsible for computer hardware and input devices. And the second one is Yang Yachao. She is responsible for output devices, processing components. And then, the third one is Wang Zijiao. She is responsible for storage devices, connectivity accessories, and calling systems. And finally, Chen Bingbing is responsible for concluding. Okay, the first part is the computer hardware. The computer hardware's definition is the physical components of a computer system, which support input, processing, storage, and output. For example, motherboard, CPU, RAM, SSD, input-output devices. These are essential parts for running a computer. And then, the next is input devices. For example, the first device is keyboard. There are many types of keyboards available. For example, mechanical, wireless, ergonomic. Many people choose wireless keyboard for convenience. Many people choose wireless keyboard for convenience. And the next device is mouse. There are also many types of mouse available, optical gaming, and touchpads. And then the third input device is voice input. It includes microphones and smart assistants. Finally, the camera is also included in the input devices. There are also many types of camera. For example, HD webcams and smartphone cameras. Okay, next, another members will introduce the remaining parts.
The next section I will introduce to you is mounting output device and processing components. First, output devices are devices that display 20 or processed data. Mounting include display, 4K, 8K display, covered screen, touch display. Users receive information by seeing printer, 3D printer, wireless inkjet printer, and laser printer. Speaker, double autonomous steam, smart speaker, such as Google Nest. Users receive information by listening. Then, there are the processing components, which are the internal parts that process and analyze data equivalent to the human brain. Main include CPU, central processing unit, multiprocessor, Intel i9, AMD Ryzen, GPU, graphics processing unit, NVIDIA RTX series, AMD Radeon, ROM, DDR4, DDR5 for versatile data storage, motherboard, connects or component. Modern ATX board is a branch of all components.
Okay, let me introduce the next part, storage devices. Computer storage devices refer to the hardware used to store and retrieve digital information within a computer system. They are essential components that allow data to be saved, accessed, and managed. Storage devices can be classified into two main categories: the primary storage and the secondary storage. The primary storage, often referred to as main memory or RAM, is directly accessible by the CPU and is used for storing data that is actively being worked on. The secondary storage includes devices such as hard disk drives, HDDs, solid-state drives, SSDs, optical disks, and USB flash drives, which are used for long-term data storage, with the latter providing non-volatile storage that retains data even when the power is turned off. Besides, we also have another cloud storage, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Avos, and so on. Okay, the next part is cooling systems. A computer cooling system refers to the collective term for various devices and technologies used to lower the internal temperature of the computer. Its purpose is to keep the computer hardware within an appropriate working temperature range to prevent performance degradation or hardware damage caused by overheating. These systems typically include fans, heat sinks, liquid cooling systems, etc. Okay, the next part is connectivity accessories. Computer connection accessories refer to hardware devices used to connect a computer to external devices or networks to achieve data transmission, signal conversion, and power supply. These accessories include but are not limited to network cards, USB interfaces, optical fiber modems, optical CATs, routers, and various types of connectors and cables, etc. There are key components for the interaction between the computer system and the outside world. Their significance is reflected in the following aspects. The first, communication bridge. Computer connection accessories as the infrastructure for communication serve as a bridge for information exchange between computers and external devices. The second, extended functionality. Through connection accessories, computers can be connected to more external devices, such as printers and scanners, thereby expanding the functionality of the computer. The third, network construction. When building local area networks or wide area networks, connection accessories are indispensable components that help create a stable and reliable network environment. The fourth, data security. High-quality connection accessories can provide better protection for data transmission, including reducing the risk of data loss and interception during transmission.
According to my classmates' introduction above, we can see that computer hardware and accessories are the backbone of any computing system. The advancement of computer hardware and accessories makes application faster, more efficient, more flexible, and the user experience smoother. Therefore, keeping computer hardware and accessories updated with changes can ensure the best performance of the computer